Hello there. I'm Reverend Lauren Halad with the Haitian Timoun Foundation. I serve as the chair of the board for our organization. The most marginalized people in the Western Hemisphere live in Haiti, suffering from the effects of extreme poverty. Even worse, millions of Haitians cannot afford to send their kids to school, and they are forced to send their children to bed hungry at night. HTF is committed to life-giving impact for Haiti's poor. We've been committed for over 20 years, and our partners in Haiti need us now more than ever. Here in America, we have been gripped with fear and anxiety in response to the coronavirus. Many schools have been shut down across the nation. Businesses are closing up operations temporarily as we and those around the world make preparations to isolate ourselves socially in order to try to get ahead of this virus. I can tell you that our partners in Haiti are scared about the coronavirus as well. For well over a year, Haiti has experienced historic levels of unrest. Quite frankly, the people in Haiti are tired of systemic injustice and corruption within their government and the leaders of their society. Earlier this year, schools were shut down for many months in Haiti. Roads have been blocked. This has resulted in a lack of available resources, food, water, the simple necessities of life for Haitians. Last fall, right before Christmas, HTF fed 100 families in need through an emergency food assistance program. As we here in America are stocking up our pantries and buying extra paper towels and ensuring that our refrigerator is full of food so that we can stay out of society's way, it simply isn't possible for our friends in Haiti. And so we are committed to feeding more families. How many families can we feed this time? That question is really, the answer to it is really up to us. I want you to think about a gift today, a gift of $80. What we know is that $80 will provide food for a family that will give them the basics for 2 months. I want you to think 80 for Haiti. For $80, we can give a family a 55-pound bag of rice, a huge jug of cooking oil, spaghetti for many months, and boxed canned sardines, protein that Haitians desperately need. We want to be able to feed hundreds of families this time. Our partners on the ground are ready and willing to buy the food and get it to people in need. Earlier this year, we had planned to participate in March Madness with our annual Hoops for Haiti tournament, but we know the coronavirus has shut down the tournament. So we're pivoting, we're moving in a new direction. We still are committed to raising the funds, but this time we're doing it under the banner of Rise Up for Haiti. Now is an opportunity for us, not just to stock our own pantry, but to help Haitians weather the unrest and the anxiety that they're experiencing today. If you would like to make a gift, I invite you to visit htflive.org/riseup. You can make a gift. Will you feed one family or maybe a few? The sky's the limit for us. May we continue to be generous people and help create life-giving impact for Haiti's poor. Thank you.